I think even this, right? Like making an appointment, I'll always go back to if you can book an appointment, even if it's virtual, your odds of them trying the product, starting the business will increase, right? Because even if you're limited and you can't be in person, which is it's prime, right? Like it'll be the best way. You can still book an appointment where I can say like, hey Cynthia, I would love for you to jump on this, virtual call. Dr. Todd is going to be teaching about I don't even tell him the product name or the company's name. I said like a sleep product that's helped me tremendously. Will you be available to jump on tomorrow at 7? So you still are booking an appointment. You still are booking an appointment to see them in person, in virtual, not in person, but in and virtually, and it's still educating because I think most of the time, um, where you're gonna also get a lot of wins is by educating people. And the best way of educating people is if you book an appointment where, I have 4 kids, right? And if someone was to call me and if Hal was to call me and say like, hey Luis, wanted to call you, I've been taking this product and it's amazing. And he just goes on the product. And I have baby Jersey that needs a diaper change. Jovi and Joss are climbing the chicken coop. Juju is riding his skates down down the street. It doesn't matter if the product cures cancer, right? Like I'll be like, how, like, no, I'm not interested. Bye, right? But if Hal was to call me, it's like, hey, Luis, I know you're busy. You have 4 kids. Listen, Lisa and I are taking these products that have helped me with sleep. Are you available tomorrow to jump on a virtual call so I can tell you all about it? I'll be like, hey, yeah, tomorrow at 7 works. We don't have soccer, or I'll be at soccer, but I can jump on. So again, there's using the same strategy. Booking the appointment is what's gonna help you win. And going back to what I was telling Carlita, if I know my schedule for the next day, if I've already planned my day before my day begins, it makes it a lot easier because I already know the times that I have available the next day. So you can still build an online business, um, through your phone, through virtual. You can still sample products. You can still mail products. You can still book an appointment, and that's where it begins. Like, hey, what days am I available? What days is Lisa available to educate them on the product or the business? Or if not, what day am I available to show them a video, right? Text them a video and still booking an appointment. If I'm like they were saying I think it was Lorena was sharing that technology is not your strong suit. If you can't figure out how to start a Zoom and share a video, it doesn't matter. I can still call Gene and say like, hey Gene, I have an incredible night product that I'm taking. It's helping me with my sleep. With 4 babies, it's hard for me to have a good night's rest. um, I would love to tell you all about it. If Gene says like, yes, I want to learn more, I'd be like, great. If I share a video with you, will you watch it? It's a 5-minute video that will describe the product, and I let him answer. If Gene says yes, I'll be like, great. What time will you be able to watch it? So even though I'm not good at technology, I can't jump on a virtual Zoom. I cannot go on Facebook and share a link. I can still figure out how to get that video link shared to Gene, and I'm still booking an appointment for Gene to watch that video. Because again, I don't want to send Gene the video and no, then having to be like, oh, I wonder if he watched it. Hey Gene, did you watch it? And then they ghost me, right? But if I book an appointment, I say like, hey, can you watch it? If I send you a video, will you watch it? When will you watch it? And would it be okay for me to call you after you watch it? So even without knowing all the technology, how to use a virtual Zoom, you're booking an appointment to share the video and educate them on what the product is.
That was from Mary Barton. So thank you, Mary, for that. And I'm going to thank you so much, Luis. You have
Yeah.
helped us an entire hour, and we appreciate you so much. We're just going to give you Zoom
Oh,
love here. And I'm going to turn it over to Hal and let him kind of close it out for us.
Thanks, guys. Thanks, Luis. Great training. I know we all learned a lot.